let's face it, chefs want to be places where they have great fresh food, but they also want to be where it's warm. It's a great scene here. People are out dining, and we live our lives in hot kitchens, but we also like beautiful places. And I think that Florida, and it's being the fastest growing state in the union, has become an incubator for great restaurants. We're all trying to create delicious food and beautiful restaurants, but not spend huge amounts of money. So it's all about where the chefs can go and an open business. Like, I love what they've done here at the wharf with these wonderful containers and stuff. I mean, the fact is you can have delicious, high quality food that's not 8 courses and that it's not $200 a person. There's nothing more wonderful than just great street food, which is really, really terrific. What's most important to understand is that we are here to serve a purpose. We're here to feed people, and whatever it may be. Everybody want to go to a pretty place with good food, okay? Tourism is a big business for Florida, and of course the non-tourists want good food too. Simplicity is always what does really well, and it just needs to be great. Here at the wharf in Splitsville with Southern Social, they asked me to bring fried chicken, so I brought it to new heights.